Every relationship goes through 3 stages. In stage 1, everything feels effortless. There's excitement in every moment, and the connection between you both feels easy and natural. You believe that this will never change. Everything is new, and you're both willing to give each other the best parts of yourselves. But in stage 2, things start to shift, and subtle challenges arise between the two of you. You begin to notice the flaws you didn't see before. Misunderstandings happen, and small issues become larger ones. The once simple conversations start to feel like a struggle, and you may start questioning if this is what you really want. But in stage 3, things start to change again. You realize that you're both capable of handling conflict without tearing each other down. You start to understand each other better, accept each other's imperfections, and work through problems with respect. This is when love becomes more than just passion. It becomes trust, patience, and genuine connection.